Maine could lose millions of dollars in federal money that helps to run the Riverview Psychiatric Center in Augusta.
The federal government says the state was getting money when it should not have. WMTW News 8's political reporter Paul Merrill is here live now to explain. Paul?
Stephen Tracy, because Riverview lost its certification last year and has yet to be recertified, the feds say Maine was not entitled to millions of dollars in federal funding that the state has been spending to run the facility. The federal government decertified Riverview last year because of issues with overcrowding and instances of officers using handcuffs and stun guns on patients. State Department of Health and Human Services Commissioner Mary Mayhew says federal officials recently visited the Augusta facility and saw a treatment center that has come a long way.
Unfortunately, because they terminated us, it's an all-or-nothing equation, and we were out of compliance for one issue related to documentation in our treatment plans.
As Maine fights to get Riverview's certification back, a new problem has emerged. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services plan to ask the state for a refund, saying Maine was not entitled to millions of dollars in federal funding to help run a decertified facility.
At this point, we have not received any formal action to reduce federal funding for Riverview. Once we receive that formal action, we will be appealing.
State House Speaker Mark Eves questions how much progress Riverview has actually made.
While the commissioner may minimize what is going on, I think it is alarming that we haven't made the progress needed to get recertified.
Eves and other legislative leaders met with Governor LePage yesterday. One of the things they discussed was their concern about Riverview.
The governor said he was awfully confident that there's nothing to worry about. They're working on it, but I certainly do not share that confidence with him. Every time that CMS comes to town and does a review, it's not good news.
Governor LePage has told us in the past he's willing to go it alone when it comes to paying for Riverview. Lawmakers say they can do that. There's a budget surplus they will use to keep Riverview open in the event the federal funding does disappear. Live in the studio, Paul Merrill, WMTW News 8.